Future flagships Samsung Galaxy S21 and S22 should have processors cores Samsung Exynos M6 and M7, Exynos M5 used in SoC, Exynos 990 installed in Samsung Galaxy S20. In LinkedIn profiles of Samsung employees who previously worked on the development of processor cores, mentions of unknown cores Exynos M6 and even Exynos M7 were found. Recall, Samsung decided to close its research center in which about 300 people worked on processor cores for Exynos platforms. The latest core they created is Exynos M5, which is used in the Samsung Exynos 990 single chip system installed in the Samsung Galaxy S20. Since the Exynos SoC Galaxy S20 lineup uses two Exynos M5 cores, it was logical to assume that the Exynos M6 and M7 cores were originally planned for the release on the market in 2021 and 2022, respectively. In other words, the Samsung Exynos M6 and M7 were for the Samsung Galaxy S21 and S22, respectively. At the moment, the chances of such a development of events are close to zero. According to the latest data, Samsung is developing a new Exynos platform. It will be manufactured using a 5nm process and will include 8 ARM Cortex cores. Sources claim that Samsung will no longer experiment with its own cores. Samsung's future high-performance Exynos chips for Samsung flagships are also expected to fully include only ARM Cortex cores. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.